Good morning, friends. So, just now in the previous video, we have seen the rubble masonry characteristics. Okay, rubble masonry. We will go to the next one in the rubble only. Can you see this diagram? In the rubble only, there is a one category called as polygonal, flint, and dry. These are the another three. In the previous diagram, we have seen five types in rubble only. These are the major categories in rubble. One, two, three, four, five. Rubble stone classification, rubble stone masonry classification. When you go to the this one, next one, we have another three more classifications are there. 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. So all these 8 are coming under rubble stone masonry. Yes, rubble stone masonry. Rubble stone means refinement is there but not so fine. Okay, rubble. In rubble only we have seen square also. We have seen square also. Square is part of the rubble only. Square is the part of the rubble only, rubble type. Okay. Now here in the polygonal walling, you can see the arrangement pattern. It is in the shape of polygons. It is in the shape of polygons. Now in the flint rubbles, these are nothing but small stones. These are nothing but very small stones are placed like this. This is one another category. That's all. Another category. These are called as flint rubble. Means what? Small stones are arranged. Almost small stones are arranged. This is called as a flint. In dry rubble, what is there? In dry rubble means no mortar is used. In dry rubble, no mortar is used. Okay, so only stones are kept. Stones are kept. Are you getting the 8 categories? 8 categories. Here, go to the previous diagram. Here, what is that? Rubble 1, rubble 2. Okay, in rubble only you have uncoursed built to course. So I have explained the meaning of uncoursed and built to course. Similarly, a rubble stone is made to square. Okay, more refinement is there. Square. Square also you have uncoursed where there is no courses. Built to course where is some courses are there but they are unequal height and stones are also unequal height. Regularly coursed means what? All courses are same height and stones are also same height. Here courses are there which are not of equal height. This is maybe different, this may be different. Stone height is also different. One stone may be little bit bigger, another may be a little bit smaller like this. Okay, stones are also. So this is first 5 category. Next 6, 7, 8 means what? You have polygonal walling means what? This type of pattern you will see. Flint walling means what? Small stones are kept like this. And here you have dry rubble masonry. You have dry rubble masonry. What is happening here? Here there is no mortar is added during the construction. Okay. So rubble completed in that stone is there. So very fine refinement you will call that as ashlar. No, you have already understood this point. Ashlar is means what? Very fine chiseling is made. Fine chiseling or dressing is made. This is called as ashlar stones. In ashlar also you have category. No, you see this diagram. In ashlar also you have categories. Yes, we have seen just now the diagrams for this. Random, square, miscellaneous means what? You had polygonal and flint. You had polygonal and flint. Dry rubble means no mortar. So random, square, miscellaneous. In miscellaneous you had polygonal and flint. The last one is dry. So all these are what? Rubble only. Similarly, for ashlar also you have fine tooled, rough tooled, quarry faced, chamfer faced, block in course facing. Now we will just see the diagram. We will study in detail later. Come back to this diagram. Ashlar masonry you have fine tooled, rough tooled. Okay. Now see this diagram. See this diagram in ashlar. Yes, you have understood ashlar is very finely dressed in that you have fine tooled means what? all the surfaces, this surface, this surface, this surface, this surface, for this stone, for this stone, is very very smooth, is very very smooth. Means what? The surface, just I will make a bigger diagram. Yes, here, like this, like this, like this. This is ashlar fine tooled. Here, any stone, you can take any stone, bottom surface, side surface, top and bottom, side surface, as well as facing, this facing which we can see, all are fine tooled. Means what? Very very fine refinement is made. Obviously ashlar means what? There will be courses. Okay, there will be courses and all stones are equal height, that is there. Okay, that is there. Apart from that, you have all the six faces are smooth, all the six faces. Can you see this diagram like this? Okay, like this. From this you can see, no, if the person is standing like this, he can see this. This is also smooth, side also smooth, top and bottom is also smooth. Okay, so that is why we are calling it as fine tooled. Means what? Highest precision is maintained in the stone refinement. Highest precision is maintained in the stone refinement. That is one thing. Second is what? Second is what? Rough tooled. Rough tooled means what? Sideways it is smooth, top and bottom it is smooth, but the person who is looking at it, no, it is rough. Okay, this is one type of stone. Okay, person who is looking at the wall will see a rough surface, that is why it is called as rough tooled. But the stone's quality in refinement, edges, shape, size is all rough. Sorry, it is very correct one, that is why ashlar. Are you getting this point? Ashlar means very accurately dressed stone. That is ashlar. In ashlar stones only, all the stones, sorry, all the surfaces are smooth, then it is fine tooled. It is fine tooled like this. This is fine tooled. If in that surface is made rough, means what? No refinement is done on the surface, then it is called as ashlar rough tool. Ashlar rough tool. Can you go to this diagram? Can you go to this diagram? Where is that? Yes, this one. Here what we have studied? Ashlar fine tooled, ashlar rough tooled. Okay. Now quarry face or rock face means same thing only. As the stones you got it from the site, no? You got it from the site. How you got it from the site? No refinement is made. No refinement is made. So that is called as the rough surface. Means what? Edgewise and bottom wise is okay, but for the vision, how the stones were there in the, how the stones were there in the quarry, no, that type of appearance you are getting. So that is called as ashlar rock faced, ashlar rock faced or quarry faced, quarry faced. So for that diagram I have not put, but you understand that the surface is almost a quarry type of structure, quarry type of structure when you see that one. That's all, simple. Bottom, side, okay, everything is very very smoothly chiseled, everything is fine refinement, but the surface is not rough, but it is directly appearing it as a, what is that, rock type of a structure, or it is directly appearance is quarry type of a structure. So those are called as ashlar, rock faced or quarry faced. Okay, now there is one more category. What is that? Chamfered. Chamfered means the edges, wherever the joint is there, no, there you cut is made. For what purpose? For architectural purpose. That's all, nothing. Okay, using the ashlar only, the edges or the joints, wherever the vertical joints are there, no, there you cut like this. Big stone I will take, big stone, this edge you are cutting like this and you are removing this part. For this stone, okay, you are cutting like this, so, and you are joining. So this type of structure will give one pleasant surface. This is called as a chamfered. This is called as chamfered. Okay. Similarly, facing masonry, ashlar stones only, but they are go for facing. Means what? If there is a wall, if there is a wall, and inside and everything is constructed using bricks, but only for appearance you are using stones. What is that? Inside everything is constructed using brick. Only at the visual point, means what? Person who can see that one, that is made up of stones. So that time it is called as ashlar facing masonry. So that is also one type is called as joint masonry. So can you see this one? Can you see this diagram? Can you see this diagram? This table, ashlar fine, ashlar rough. It is quarry faced, chamfered, and it is block in course. So we have seen fine tooled, rough tooled, quarry faced, chamfered, and next block in course is one special type. Nothing much is there. Simply you are putting the in terms of blocks. That is not much to discuss. Facing means inside bricks is there. Outside for the visual you are getting what? Stones. Okay. So here you can see. Okay. So chamfered and facing. You have seen this one. Now, the same category, I will show the real construction. Okay, now, so what is this? We have seen in detail, that is one classification how it is made. Now, actually inside how the things will appear. First is what? First is, just remember this word, okay? Random rubble, square rubble. Here it is miscellaneous means what? Polygonal flint, and it is dry. Try to see, remember these things. In rubble, random rubble, square rubble, polygonal, flint, dry. Go to this diagram. Simple, no? How the stones are appearing here? Okay, all these are random. Yes, there is no courses. No, you cannot see any courses. Just I will make a bigger picture like this. Okay, like this big diagram is there. Now I hope it is there. What is the name given here? Random rubble only, but it is uncoursed. It is uncoursed. There is no course. No, can you see? Can you make any courses like this? No, not at all possible. Okay. So all the stones are irregular shape. Can you see this diagram? All the stones are irregular in shape and no equal height. No dressing is made. Okay? No dressing, no equal height like this. So that is why the name given random rubble. And here courses are also not there. So it is uncoursed. It is uncoursed. I hope it is clear. Same diagram here. Here you have made. Okay, like this. In exam you have to draw like this, not like this one. Okay. Here next is what? Next what type we have seen in the built to course? No, we have seen built to course in random rubble. In random rubble. See this figure. See this figure. Can you make any courses? Yes, like this. Can you see here? There is a course, almost one unequal course here. Can you see here? Almost on another unequal course here. Can you see another course? Yes. So that is why we are calling it as built to course. We are calling it as built course. Means what? Unequal stones are there. You have unequal stones. Okay. And these are rubble stones only. But using them you are making a, you are building what? Courses. You are building what? Individual or different height courses, different height courses. So that is why we are calling built to course, and it is a classification coming under RRM, random rubble masonry. Here it is also RRM, random rubble masonry. Here the top one was uncoursed. Here it is a built to course. Here it is a built to course. Okay, no problem. Yes. Okay. Remember this point. In built to course, all courses are not in same height. All courses are not of equal height. Okay, and stones are different heights. See here, stone is different height. Stone is different height. How they construct? They first construct these coin stones. First they will construct these coin stones. Coins means what? Edge. The starting point of the wall, end point of the wall, these are called as coins. Beginning and end parts is called as coins. First these two are constructed, later one line dory is joined here, line dory, and in between stones will be placed. In between stones will be placed. Outer stones first, that means coin headers, coin stretchers, like this they will place first. Line door is put here, and in between they will put the stones. Means what? You can make one layer here, that's all. Okay, this is that is one. Okay, next is what we have seen, no, here in this diagram we have seen actual figures of this one. Okay, actual figure, random rubble. In that what we have seen, uncoursed we have seen, and built to course we have seen. In random rubble, uncoursed, built to course. In square rubble we will see, no, in square rubble obviously there should be uncoursed, built to course, and regularly coursed, three categories. Uncoursed, built to course, regular course. We will see the diagram first. Okay, here you can see it is uncoursed, no, in square it is uncoursed. Can you see any courses here? No, it is like this, no courses. So it is a square, and it is also a rubble, and it is a uncoursed, it is uncoursed. Is it okay, this diagram? Yes, no course. But can you see the stones are square? Stones are square. Come to this diagram, this is square only, but it is built to course. Built to course, how? Can you see this diagram? One, sorry, yeah, here, no, one layer, like this you can construct the layers, no, here. Is it possible? Square stones and also rubble stones. Okay, built to course. Okay, almost courses are made, and point to remember is stones are different heights. Here stones are different height, so that is why we are getting built to course. Built to course. Come to this diagram, come to this diagram. What is this? Square, rubble, regular coursed. Okay, square, rubble, regular coursed. What is this? Square, rubble, regular coursed means what? All courses are there and equal height. All courses are there and equal height. I hope it is clear now. I have made so much explanation, it's clear. So what we have seen, in random rubble, uncoursed, built to course. In square rubble, uncoursed, built to course, regularly coursed. Okay, yes, yes, it is regularly coursed. Yes, uncoursed, built to course, regular coursed. Okay, uncoursed, built to course, regular coursed. Next is what? Obviously we should have polygonal, no, in this polygonal flint dry. So here it is what? Polygonal. See the shape of the stones, polygonal, polygonal, like this is made. Flint walling means like this it is made, small small pebbles are placed. What is this? Dry rubble. It is also dry rubble. Here no mortar is there, no mortar is there, so it is called as a dry rubble. It is called as dry rubble. Okay, so next type. So next obviously we are seeing to see the ashlar. So here you can see ashlar fine tooled, very very fine tooled, means all the surfaces are smooth. All the surfaces are smooth, so finest refinement. It is ashlar rough tooled means what? Surface is made rough. Can you see this diagram? It is fine tooled, it is rough tooled, that's all. Sorry, this is fine, and it is rough. Can you see this one? Here it is, the surface is made little bit rough. I hope it is clear. Okay, ashlar fine tooled, ashlar rough tooled. Okay, now what is this? Yes, rock faced, ashlar rock faced. Here the surface is made little bit rocky type of a structure. So as the quarry you are getting, no, that type of surface you are getting. Only side and bottom is made. Okay, so here there is a small confusion. So it is not a ashlar type, just it is a rock faced. It is a rock faced. If the stones are square, then you can tell it as